Hello everyone, I am Satya Gokulram, a computer science and engineering undergraduate at Vishnu Institute of Technology. In this video, I am going to explain about the closure, callbacks, promises, and async or wait and the implementation of a to-do list using closure. Now let's start with closure. A closure is a function that remembers the variable from its lexical scope even when the function is executed outside that function. It allows function to access variables defined in their outer function after the outer function has returned. Now discuss about the promise. A promise is an object that represents the eventual completion of a asynchronous operation. It has three states: pending, fulfilled, and rejected. In the pending, it has initial state or neither fulfilled nor rejected. Now fulfilled. Fulfilled is defines that operation is completed successfully. And the third state, rejected. Rejected defines that operation is failed. A promise either resolves or rejects. Async or wait. An async or wait provides a cleaner way to work with promises. It allows asynchronous code to be written in a asynchronous style, making it easier to read and debug. Async marks a function as asynchronous. The wait processes the function execution until the promise resolves. Now, callback function. A callback function passes as an argument and executes it after fetching the data. Now, I explain about this code. The given JavaScript code implementation is simple to-do list application using closure. This application allows managing tasks based on their overdue dates and completion status. Okay. Now let's start with the core functionality with closures. The to-do list function encapsulates the list of to-dos all and provides method for managing and retrieving tasks. The use of closure ensures all remains private and is only modifiable through defined methods. Those methods are add, mark as complete, overdue, over today, due later, to displayable list. Add. Now the add method is used to add a new task to the list. Mark as complete method marks the task at the given index as completed. Overdue method returns the array of the task. Over today method is used to return the tasks at today. Due later returns tasks that are due after today. To, Todayable display list formats the list into human readable string. That means that the string can be readable by humans. Now talk add. Now here use the add function. In this add function we push all the to do items. Similarly, all methods are done like this. Mark as complete over to etc. Now talk about the formatted date function generates string in the required date format. That means this is formatted date function. This method is used to pass the year like you know YYY dot slash month and date in that format that is useful to pass that string and that are useful understandable for the human also. The code demonstrates adding and categorizing tasks based on their due dates. These like this. That means that due to today or yesterday or tomorrow. Okay. This is overdue. This overdue means that there is any overdues. It shows like this. Due today. This is used to there is any due today. Like is there any work to do today? We can print this like console.log function. We use this console.log function to print the due todays. And similarly, due later and due today. And we can fetch the output like this. For to fetch the output, we first initiate the npm. After initiating the npm, we can directly directly run the node space or file name dot js. Okay, talk about the overdue. In overdue, that means e- this work has to be done by this date, 12/14/2024, and it is not done, so it does not mark due today. And that these are the works that done to today. Parent and service vehicle. The parent was done, so it marked as X, and service vehicle not done, so it doesn't mark. Due later. That are the works done to be later. That means from today or in the specified date, the 16/12/2024. These are the specified date that work has to be done. So these downs are not done yet. So these are not marked. That's it. Thank you.